when his hand touches you, you stay there until he's done. There are so many things in your body that are supposed to be uprooted by the power of God. Do you believe him? Do you believe in the Holy Ghost? Do you believe in the Holy Ghost?
He is touching.
Do you believe in the Holy Ghost? The power of God that touches you will remain in your body. I believe that when a child of God is obedient to God,